Hi guys, Happy New Year. We decided that we wanted to start the first day of 2024 out in beautiful nature. So we took a drive up here to Big Bear, California. It's real cold. There's still snow on the ground, as I'm sure you guys can see. But we just wanted to start the new year experiencing the beauty of nature. You know, we always talk about that. Get out, see nature, just feel the energy. And that's how we wanted to start our year. So we're out here, we're hiking in the snow. It's cold, but it's beautiful. The air is so crisp and so clear, and all of the evergreen trees are still green. And we found pine cones, we found acorns, lots of oak leaves. It's just gorgeous. So we just wanted to share a little bit of it with you guys. And remember, get out and experience the beauty of nature. Even if it's in your own backyard, go and experience nature. Start your year the right way by attuning yourself with the cycles and the beauty that is all around us, and the energy that's all around us. Like touching these rocks, touching these trees, it's just amazing. All right, guys, have a beautiful new year. Hell, there's a lot of the tops.
A lot of what?
The tops, but the bottoms,
Are all eaten.
they've been eaten. Hey, there's one. A little squirrel, probably.
One winter's night, arrested he was bound. They said there'd been a robbery, his pistol had been found. They marched him to the station house, he waited till the dawn, and as they led him to the dock, he knew that he'd been wrong. You stand accused of robbery, he heard the bell.